the pots in the old tin can, the mash, the corn, the barley and the bran. Run like the devil from the excise man, keep the smoke from rising barley. Keep your eyes well peeled today, the excise men are on their way, searching for the mountain tame, the hills of Connemara. Gather up the pots in the old tin can, the mash, the corn, the barley and the bran. Run like the devil from the excise man, keep the smoke from rising barley. For the butcher and a quart for John, and a bottle for poor old Father Tom, to help the poor old dear along in the hills of Connemara. Gather up the pots in the old tin can, the mash, the corn, the barley and the bran. Run like the devil from the excise man, keep the smoke from rising barley. Swing to the left and swing to the right, the excise men can dance all night, drinking up the tea till the broad daylight in the hills of Connemara. Gather up the pots in the old tin can, the mash and the corn and the barley and the bran. Run like the devil from the excise man, keep the smoke from rising barley. The excise men are at the gate. Jesus Christ, they're drinking it straight in the hills of Connemara. Gather up the pots in the old tin can, the mash and the corn, the barley and the bran. Run like the devil from the excise man, keep the smoke from rising barley. Gather up the pots in the old tin can, the mash and the corn and the barley and the bran. Run like the devil from the excise man, keep the smoke